Dixmoor engines, still TS350 with a scored piston. As you can see there on the intake side, it's heavily scored even up on the ring area of the piston. Exhaust side as well. The top end rebuild on this, there's the part number for the aftermarket kit. There you can see the scored piston and the new aftermarket piston. You also get rings, the circlips and the connecting rod pin. There you can see the exhaust side of the scored piston in comparison to the aftermarket piston. And there's the bore. The bore's in good nick. I'm gonna reuse the cylinder on this top end rebuild. As I say to my missus, you cannot rush perfection. Lovely jubbly. Take care. Ta for now.